Hey, what's up, tubers? This is John at SHTF Hunter. Just wanted to come at you with some gun porn today. This is a AR pistol I just built, and I built it with the purpose or intention of CQB. For anybody that doesn't know what that means, it's close quarter battles. It does have an arm brace. I don't know if it's a Palmetto State Armory brand arm brace or whatever. But I ordered a lower build kit from Palmetto. Instead of buying a whole pistol kit, I've been looking at pistol kits and from Palmetto, and I don't think any of them had key mod railing. So I actually bought this key mod railing off of, like, I think it was eBay or something. But I like the key mod railing. It's just a lot easier, in my opinion. It's a lot easier to deal with than the M-lock. With the M-lock, you'd have to take his whole handguard off to attach your weaver mounts, but with the key mod, you stick it in, slide it, screw it down, and tightens it up. So one thing I can see me putting on this thing is probably going to be a light. You know, if you want to do CQB or have the intentions, you need to have a good light on your weapon. Now, I already had this 1.5. This is a 1.5 pound Timney trigger. It is a super light trigger, so I put that on there so I can go fast. Up here I got the Mepper light, M21 Mepper light. It's the same optic that Israeli Defense Forces uses. It works off of tritium. If you ever want to, if your tritium is too bright, you can take a piece of black tape and tape it up. I will explain. I got some. See right there, you can see the fiber optics and stuff. But the only downside I see to the Mepper lights is, like, if you're in a house, you're in a building or a house, and you're shooting outside, the reticle is almost impossible to see. And to mitigate that, and of course, you know, I put on the some iron sights to co-witness. I got this is a military style flip up, and then I had Magpul Imbus sight laying around. I still got zero these two. This is going to be really close to being zero, but so I may have to darken this out, like I told you, where to cut down on it, so I can be able to zero it at 100 yards. But let's see if there's anything else. I put a Hogue. I already had this Hogue grip, and I put it on there. Now it come with a a Magpul grip. They call it the MOE or something like that. But their Magpul grip that they sent with me was kind of rubberized. And I liked it a lot. You know, I'd almost already decided I was putting this one on here, but the Magpul grip was nice and had a rubber texture also. This might be just a little bit bigger, and I got big hands, so I need a little more, you know, a little more real estate to hang on to. It was really a toss-up where I was going to go ahead and put the Magpul on or this Hogue, and I just went ahead with the Hogue. But so that's what I'm been working on here recently. I need to get this thing out to range and zeroed in on real good. Both the Mepper light and the irons. With the Mepper light, you also get a kill flash, and you get a scope cover. So I don't know if how long you watch my channel, but I did a video a while back. You know, I'm trying to kind of get away from. I really love reflex sights, but I'm trying to get away from battery-powered reflex sights. That's why I have this. They cost more than battery-powered, but you know, you can store this weapon and, you know, pick it up, and you know, your sight's already on, so it ain't no leaving it on by accident, killing the battery. So this thing's always ready to go. Anyway, this is John, SHTF Hunter. I'm out.